Hello and good morning, everyone. I remain Oluwatosin Samuel, and this is my analysis for gold for today, 7th of January 2026, the London session. And first, let's look at the economic calendar, and we can see that this morning, just like every regular morning, we are not expecting any impact news until New York session today. And we are expecting the ADP, non-farm employment change, the ISM services PMI, and the JOLTS job opening be the impact news we're expecting. And for uh we're expecting generally a bit of mixed news stroke bad news. We're expecting a little bit of number reduction for the US dollar, except for the ADP non-farm employment change, which we're expecting an increase from minus 32K to 49K. And the rest are just low impact news, if I can say that. So they're just yellow folder news. And considering that we shouldn't have had much activity, in all sincerity, because you see that gold traded down uh, in the pre-market, as I like to call the Asian session. Anything before London, I call it pre-market. And one thing that I want to note is the fact that we did trade through the previous day high and we rejected, and we have been trading lower since then. So we have been bearish for the day. Bears have had it. The sellers have had it. And right now, we are holding the weekly anchored view up, and the previous day opening price seems to be holding. And ideally, I am not a fan of scalping good short for now. So I will only be looking for long opportunities. But the thing is, I won't be looking to long right now. As you can see, I don't have any level drawn out. I'm not going to do any resistance for gold. I'm only going to draw support on the days when we have it. And for trade days like this, I'm not going to look for an immediate buy during the normal 1 hour before London session. London session starts by 9 o'clock my time here. And right now we are just 6 minutes to it. Don't mind my time, it is an hour late. So we are just 6 minutes to it. And ideally, the reason why I won't be looking for a long yet is because I'm aware that we are having a 4 hours close right now, which is still a bearish close. I'll wait for the first 1 hour to form, after which I'll decide on what to do. Maybe I'll be able to scalp long during the London session open by 9 o'clock or not. Except for that, I'm not looking to short gold at this moment. The only scenario where I'll look for short gold is if perhaps, not even during London right now, if perhaps we have a failure here at the weekly anchor viewer and we have the market consolidate somewhere around lower than the previous day opening price and the weekly anchored viewer, and we have it consolidating, and when the news releases in New York session, we have a sharp drop, I may be willing to use a sell stop order to trade it short, and that will be very quick. I won't be expecting something massive, uh, because I'm still expecting that around uh around the NFP release on Friday, we should be somewhere around this profile here, somewhere around this range. That is just market prediction, and I don't really trade prediction. I react to trades. So I'm just predicting that. That will be my reaction. I'm not trading prediction. I'm only going to be willing to trade the reaction. So right now I'm expecting the weekly anchored view up to hold, and also the prior day opening price. But I'm not going to be willing to take any long trade as long as we are under this previous day opening price. I'm not going to be willing at all at 4449.090 on the TVC chart. I'm not going to be willing to take any trade at all, except the new 4 hours open, and then we have a consolidation, perhaps a rally or a V turn around. And even if we have a V turn around, I don't think I'll be willing to trade uh until London open. And my first target will be this day anchored view up right here. That will be my initial target, and then the VPOC will be the target for the London session. I will not be expecting that we go fully around, but I may leave some positions just to continue upward. But my first target will be the daily anchored viewer. And one day, like I said, maybe I'll be able to teach the way I trade, which is quite uncommon. It actually took me some time before I came by this trading style. But maybe one day I'll be able to teach it. I hope. Uh, when I believe I'm a professional in this market, vis-a-vis I spend 10,000 hours trading. So when I do that, I'll consider myself worthy of teaching others this market. But right now, I'm looking for longs, dissecting this and this to hold, and not trade during the first 1 hour before London open today. That is the trade idea, guys. It's still a long on gold. Just a long above the previous day opening price will be ideal, and then we claim into uh the value area, which is 75% of the volume traded for the day. So I'll see you guys in the afternoon. I didn't take any trade yesterday, unfortunately. Uh, I slept off during this 3:30 candle open. They sent me the account and I waited. Let me just show you guys. I waited.
Incoming mail.
I waited mostly. Okay, not trading levels. Trade history. I waited mostly. And another thing is that they changed my MT5 account. They sent me new login for the phase two. So you can't even see my trade history, the ones I took the day prior. That one that I used to pass the phase one of the evaluation. So I haven't taken any trade yet. Let's see, view toolbox. You see that the account is quite fresh. There's no trade on the account. So I'm trading the phase two of this proprietary farm account right now. So let's see if this does good, and then we have a scalp trade upward. And I just need 10 price point of change, no sincerity. Something like this, even less, using 0.02 to pass the 7 phase of the account because it's a small account. Maybe one day I'll tell the full story of my forex journey. I'll tell my complete forex journey, but not today. That's not a story for the day. This video is getting quiet now. Bye for now. Good luck and good trade.